Hello and good evening, Crystal and Chris. How are you? Hopefully you had a nice Thanksgiving there. This is Ron Hilton with Palm Valley Insurance, and we found each other through the Dave Ramsey program. And I just wanted to send you a quick little video of what the insurance is here. And as you can see on my screen, we have a Mercury insurance quote for $1,681 for 12 months. That's if you pay in full. And they do have payment options, and those will be listed down here. So you can have auto pay and non-auto pay options. I am quoting you with the same coverage that you had listed before with Geico with 100, 300, except for my quote here is including property damage at 100,000. Geico is notorious for putting 50 there, and even if you didn't leave Geico and you wanted to have 100 instead of 50, it would probably cost you not even $1 for the entire policy period to raise it from 50 to 100. So that's one of the things the companies like Geico do to keep their exposure down, but where us agents, we're looking out for the best interest of our insureds. So you got your deductibles, rental car, and that is for both vehicles. And so you can take a look at this. And I also have a Progressive one here. It's a little bit more competitive when you pay in full. Everything else I just described being the same. So review that and talk about it amongst yourselves and let me know when a good time is to reach you. Thank you for your patience, and talk to you soon.